Today's gonna be a good day to paint the van. I want to paint this bumper. I have it painted with a camouflage paint and I don't like the texture of it. And then I painted this with some type of bed liner and I don't like the texture of that. So I bought a black satin paint and I'm gonna sand this down because there's some chips in there. I painted the van gray because when we were in the forest and we were taking walks, I could see the van from like half a mile away in the trees because it was so bright white and I didn't want to stand out like that. So we got this satin gray, and this is only a one coat. If you got up real close, you could see satiny, but it's still kind of blotchy. But from far away, it looks fine. It does the trick. Scratches, stains, they come right off with water and they don't leave any marks. I was thinking about painting the top, but I think I'm going to leave that now. I kind of like it. Don't mind the black, gray, white look. We sanded it down, just scuffed it down so that the paint would stick. It's held up pretty good for the last year. If I had a garage to paint this, it'd probably be a better job. But in the sun like this, I can see all the blotchy spots. And it took about 12 cans to go all the way around. And I had to go fast. I didn't tape the windows. I just took a razor to where I oversprayed in the windows and it came right off. If I were to tape the windows, it would have taken too long and it would have... Here's the can that I used for the van. It's a satin, granite satin. And this is the brand I used, Rust-Oleum. I went with satin because you can wipe it down. And it's got just a small sheen, just a light sheen. Flat is just harder to wipe down. So then I got the satin Canyon Black for the bumpers and the grill. And I only got one because I don't think I'm gonna need a lot. I should have got two. Up here was where I didn't sand very good, so it was just bubbling up, and I'm gonna sand this down and retouch that, and that's pretty much it. The rest of it's pretty good. It hasn't chipped anywhere else. You can see it's kind of splotchy. It's not the best job, but from far away it looks good. There's some water stains that'll come right out, mud, water, but that'll all wash off. I haven't taken it to any car wash yet. When I got the tires rebalanced, they put the weights on, so I'm gonna touch those up with black too. And the tire looks funny because I have it on the wide angle, so the rim looks real small. That's why the gap looks huge when I do this. If you're looking for a cheap way to paint your van, you can just use some Rust-Oleum, maybe 8 to 12 cans, and this is what it can look like with just a one coat. Now if you went around with 2 coats, 3 coats, and sanded in between, you're gonna have a good looking van. I was thinking about doing some kind of camo pattern on it, not the traditional curvy type, but that really angular, I don't know what you call it, like snow camouflage where it's gray, white, and black. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications, tell a friend, hug somebody.